In the last episode, we uncovered the main problem area. Then removed the rust and fixed all the areas that needed it with Bondo. In this episode, the Del Sol is going to get a new windshield installed. My name is Erica, and this is the DIY Del Sol restoration project brought to you by Resin Auto Co. The first thing the guys from National Auto Glass did was clean and prep the windshield frame. The new windshield was then cleaned and the adhesive was applied to the frame. These electric caulking guns are really cool. The guys then lowered the windshield into the frame and put more adhesive on. A new top gasket was installed. The cowl was reinstalled. And there it is, a brand new windshield for the Del Sol. I did buy some new side moldings that I'm going to install once the car is painted. But first, we have some more rust to slay, so make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.